Yeah, the best thing that ever happened to me.
Oh, babe.
She rescued me.
I didn't rescue you. You were in Brazil with your grandmother.
Say hi to Doug and Lora, and Lucy. They live in Massachusetts, where electricity doesn't come cheap.
You never really know what to expect in terms of your bill each month.
They needed a solution, but making a change isn't always easy.
I had no desire to have solar. When the bills, though, started to go up and up and up, that was my breaking point.
That's why they made the switch, and haven't looked back since.
We really haven't felt bad about going solar since.
Oh, our meter is negative. You want to mention that?
Oh yeah, we have a surplus of energy.
With all that power, Doug is free to use more things.
Watching Formula One while you're doing your workout. You see the dog? She's sitting there. She wants to go. Can press the button. Go. If I want a mop or own vac.
Reliable energy and peace of mind. Doug and Lora took control with Sunrun. What's stopping you?
Yeah, because look, like the sun is free, so why don't use it, right?